nummy nummy. What's nummy nummy? Jason, he is also nummy. Yes. Katie, is it one?
I think he likes it.
Good job. I love the squash. I love my vegetables. Oh. Yay. I got excited. Are we ready?
Oh yeah, he likes it.
But you got a little mess under your neck there. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha. Oh, he's looking at it. He wants some more.
I got the mouth open. Yeah, he does.
Good job.